This is a brief tutorial to set up the basic operations for the sound system in the Conrad Auditorium. What you're looking at is the soundboard. The first step you do is you reach back here, find this button, and turn it on. You wait for these lights to come on, and it already did. Then you will turn this key. It flashes for roughly 12 seconds. That key will be placed in the spot that I tell you so you can have access to the soundboard. And it flashes for a period of time. While this may look like a lot of buttons, you can just simply break it down. Here we have, this is set up for the computer, the handheld, and for the lavalier. That would be on 22, 23, and 24. Through these sound systems, that will help you. Okay, if you want to do the handheld, you can work up and just try to get these effects, and it's just try to get them all at 12 o'clock to start out with. Okay, this is your high for the high tones. There's two mid-range tones, and this is the low. So this is like treble, this is like bass, this is like mid-range, and you can do some fine-tuning to get feedback. So these three are for that person. Okay, these are for the monitors that are on the stage. Those monitors feed back to any groups that would be on the stage if they would be up there. We have two speakers up there. You can roll in and roll out with the handhelds for the sound like that. And as you see, we have that set up there. And that is the brief setup. While it just seems like there's a lot of wires and stuff here, basically each of these will coincide with something that is plugged in up on the stage. We have these three setups that are right here. This is for the CD player. This is for the tape in. And if you want to record something, it's on the tape out. Tape in, tape out can be recorded, or not recorded, but can be, the volume can be set here. So that works really well. Here's the master volume switch for stereo, for left, and for right. But to keep it simple, just keep that going at the same pace or same sound. If you want to learn more about that, you can take more tutorials for that training. All of this works here. These are for the two wired mics that are up on the stage, 1 and 2, and they're up there. I'll go up on the stage and I'll show you where the monitors are and how that can be. If you'll notice, all of these plugs are plugged into corresponding 1 through 24, just like those on the soundboard. These are to the speakers. These are to the stage monitors that can go out on the stage. The monitors feed back to the people on the stage so they can hear what you're doing. This door in here there's your monitors. There's the cables for the monitors. There's mic stands. You shouldn't ever need to get into this sound box. Although up here you will see that's the remote control for the projector. That's the lavalier. That's the remote control for the curtains, or for the projection screen. And that's the remote control for the CD, multi-disc CD player. The handheld mic remote will also be up there, or handheld microphone will also be up there. And that's a quick tutorial on how to run a basic sound system.